Hey guys, it's your girl Cyn. Welcome back to my channel, and today's vlog is going to be just basically coming with me. I have a lot of errands to do. I have to look at my nails done. I have to run to IKEA. I have to go to Trader Joe's. So there's a lot that I need to do. Like my nails, look you guys, this is absolutely unacceptable. So I'm heading to the nail shop. This is kind of unfamiliar for me to be in this neighborhood because, as you guys know, I just moved, so I don't really know a good nail spot. But we're gonna go find a place because I need to get my nails done, and hopefully they don't jack up my nails. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys at the nail shop. Okay, you guys, I got my nails done. The place was okay, but there was some drama inside of the nail place. So two co-workers, okay, I wanted to film it, but at the same time I didn't want their faces on YouTube. Two co-workers, I guess one co-worker owed the other co-worker some money, and there was like a little, like, I was getting my pedicure and then she approached her like, oh, so are you gonna give my money? And I'm looking at her like, is this really happening right now? Like, you're asking her for money in front of a client? She's like, yeah, I've been asking you for 3 months and I need my money. And I'm like, what the fuck? Yo, things go down in the nail shop. I can't. It was so uncomfortable. And then when I was actually getting my nails done, she was like telling me the whole story, and I'm just like, ma'am, why are you telling me this? Oh my god, life of an empath. Like, I'm telling you, she told me her whole life story while I was getting my nails done. I was just like, what the entire hell? But I got my nails done. They're really pretty. I went for like a sheer pink color. My toes are always white. I always get white. But that was just a trip. But I like this nail spot. It's affordable, and it's literally down the street from my house. So I'm gonna go pick up my brother because he is going to be mowing my grass today. My grass look a hot mess, y'all. I'm not even gonna show it to y'all. Like, I have not mowed my grass since I moved in, and I've only been moved in for like maybe possibly like 3.5 weeks. So I gotta go pick up Nicholas to get his lawnmower and everything, and then I'll see you guys when we get to Nick's house. So see you guys soon. Huh? What did I do? You want me to close this? Whoo, if you scratch my seats. Where we gonna eat, Nicholas?
Whatever you buy.
Why I gotta buy you food?
Because you left me for 2.5 months.
This is all I needed. Because my shipment is coming late for my crinkle paper. Dollar Tree. Well, dollar store it is.
No, 6:42.
Oh, these two.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, you're gonna pay for your own stuff today.
You pay for my food.
Oh, okay.
And you pay for my work.
So a new package came in the mail today, and I'm actually really excited about this new. So a new product came in the mail today. I'm really excited about it because it's going to be some sort of accent pieces to my home. So I wanted to open it with you guys and see what it is. So this is pampas grass. I got these off eBay. I bought about 95 of these long stem pampas grass for about $120. So it was a pretty good steal, and they are really long, and they're going to be accent pieces in those vases that I did in my DIY home decor, where I kind of like spray painted all of my vases white. So I'm going to be using these pampas grasses in those vases, and just to put them around the home right now because the home is looking really sparse because I just moved in. But I'm going to go ahead and fluff these out and show you guys how I do that. You want to do this outside because these pampas grass really shed a lot. So please do this outside, and you're going to need Got2b hairspray or any hairspray of your choice. I just use the free spray from Got2b because it really holds, so it's really long lasting. So I mean, you can use any hairspray of your choice, but I just preferably choose Got2b. So these are all the pampas grass that I received. So this is how the pampas grass looks outside of the packaging. It's not fluffed out. It looks pretty stale and pretty boring. So we're going to kind of manipulate the pampas grass. So what you're going to do is take it out of the packaging, and you're going to need a wide tooth comb, and you're going to kind of fluff and kind of brush out the pampas grass. It will shed just a tad bit depending on how big you want the actual look. I do want the look to be really fluffy and really airy. So I'm going to take this wide tooth comb, and I'm going to get to combing out every single one of these. I have about maybe 125 of these, so I'm going to show you guys the finished look. Now that you've fluffed out your pampas grass as much as you would like it, you're going to take some Got2b hairspray, and you're going to spray the pampas grass. Now the reason for using this is to kind of let it keep its shape, and that it kind of prevents it from shedding as well. And I've had no shedding since I've used the Got2b hairspray on the actual pampas grass. So these are how they're looking around my home, and I will be adding a little bit more to my personal space. And these are all the pampas grass that I did. So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell button so you guys know exactly when I upload. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.